What's up, guys? Welcome in. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mark. Thanks again for being a part of Not Your Father's Capital. Let's get this going. Let's talk SHIB in this video. I got some very exciting news because the price of Shiba Inu has always been what you guys watch these videos for. It's always been the highlight and the hallmark of your guys' concern. It's why basically everybody wants to watch and know what's going on and learn more about SHIB on the daily. But after a brief correction we had yesterday with the Bitcoin spot ETF falling a little bit short, I'm going to follow up with this video and show you guys exactly what's happening within Shiba Inu and the rest of the crypto market for that matter. So you're absolutely going to want to stick around. Make sure you guys are all subscribed down below. Very nice recovery we're having on the day. Make sure you guys smash that like button as well and follow us on X if you have not yet done so. With that being said, let's get down into it, guys. And obviously not financial advice, so please do your own research and due diligence with all things crypto and financial. But we're seeing Bitcoin up 3%, and the rest of the market is bouncing back just as we expected it, guys. A little bit of a sell the news kind of event yesterday when we had that spot ETF kind of rumblings, and a lot of analysts saying it was not going to happen in Q1, not going to happen definitely on January 10th. And that's kind of what has caused a little bit of FUD in the market. But we are back, and now we look at Shiba Inu basically sitting here on the charts, guys, and it's at that 17th spot in total market cap as it currently stands, okay? But in the actual chart, up 4.63% and climbing on the day, looking to get back this red kind of like fall off we had basically from that sell the news event. So it would not surprise me for SHIB to get back and take back that zero on the day, one bit whatsoever. So, but the reason why I want to talk to you guys in this video is because the whales have been saving Shiba Inu, okay? They have been a lifesaver as it relates to what the price is doing within SHIB. But this is something where we have look at how this whale activity has caused a 700% surge in activity from SHIB whales, okay? Now, within Shiba Inu, for those of you that were around in the last bull cycle, that historical run that SHIB was on, the whales kind of had their role, but they kind of went in a different direction. That was an extreme retail craze. A little bit piggybacking off of the GameStop shorting, okay? That frenzy, coupled in with what we saw from Dogecoin, from Shiba Inu, there was a lot of retail mass hysteria. And yes, institutions came back into the fold as well. But the whales in Shiba Inu right now are larger than they've ever been. And that's kind of what I'm getting at in this video. And the point of this is everybody wants to know, why hasn't SHIB taken back zeros? Why hasn't SHIB reached a penny? All these far-fetched price predictions that are never going to happen, most likely, within Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu stands to make a lot of gains in the next bull cycle and beyond. But we have to be realistic what we're talking about. And that's what I think the whales are doing. And they're making a lot of money getting back into the fold from exiting and entering positions along with some of the market news, okay? And this is something where it's been a lifeline as it relates to Shiba Inu. And you can see this basically from the chart with a lot of the metrics showing these large number of transactions, okay? This has increased. So what we have seen is these whales entering back into SHIB, speculating on a future recovery, okay, of Shiba Inu, or they're basically going to be adding to their position, trying to dollar cost average their way into some better positions, okay? Now, this is where we've seen basically this consolidation phase just slightly above that 1-0 level, okay? We're at that 0.9 level right now. But within this consolidation, we need to look at what we see on the chart. This appears to be a descending triangle pattern, okay? You can see it right here in this graphic. Now, within a descending triangle pattern, this is something where you have the ability to break down or break through, okay? So the breakdown within SHIB is something where you look into why this is happening and this potential bullish momentum that we're going to see potentially being nullified a lot less than other traders have expected, but the whales have been saving SHIB. This little bit of bearish momentum from this descending triangle is existing, but the whales have basically powered us through and kept SHIB's price afloat. So if they continue to accumulate, Shiba Inu's price, in my opinion, will stabilize. But we need to have it stabilize up to a point where we get enough tailwind from what's going down with SHIBARIUM, as well as to get more retail investors back into the fold. Okay? There's a lot of altcoins out there. There's a lot of people out there making money in crypto. And I just wanted to share with you guys my thoughts on SHIB as we get into the new year and beyond. So as I said, guys, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys are all subscribed down below. Smash that like button as well. We'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.